2, 3, and...
Come and watch, I'ma show you how it's done. Post a vid, make you get a little buzz. BigHeadPat, got reviews like Yelp. Got all eyes on, cause I do it so well. I'ma pull up with the whip like Tokyo Drift. With some fresh new heat, I'ma load up the clip. It can get a little scary, but like don't even trip. This is every damn day, like I don't even skip. Come and watch, yeah, come and watch. Hey, come and watch. Do it.
What's up, Big Head Gang? It's your boy BigHeadPat. Welcome to BigHeadPat Reviews. Man, today is a good day because I want to pick up my first build for the channel. I don't know how long this build gonna take, but hey, it's happening. Finally got me something I've been wanting to get, and I really don't care which brand it was, man. As long as I got one. This is my son, Demayan. All right, you know me, BigHeadPat Reviews. If you haven't subbed yet, this right here, Mark. Malibu. If you haven't subbed yet, please do so. We got some things in store, man. If you're new to the channel, I do music reviews, car reviews, paranormal reviews, everything. You see where I live in Michigan. I always want to do a build. I've been building my channel to do a build. And I'm excited, man, I am. So we gotta go to the bank, get to the dealership, and I'll see you guys there. So y'all, left the bank, all right? Let me shout out my credit union, man, because this credit union is the best credit union I ever dealt with. I dealt with all of them, Financial Plus, etc., PFCU, all of them. And I just want to say, shout out to Elga Credit Union, man. Elga Credit Union, they are the best, and they helped me with every loan I needed. Because I got good credit, I have to no money down. And I mean, they want to give you money at Elga. They want your business. And you guys definitely need to check them out. Check them out, get this down. Check them out, y'all, if y'all trying to get a loan. So, you're on our way to get the vehicle. By thumbnail, you probably know what it is. But it is a truck, so I'll just give you that part. But I'll see you guys when I get there. Later. So, guys, you know, I don't know if you can tell by the video. You want to sit in the front? Go sit in the front. All right, y'all, so I'm about to show you the truck, man. Y'all got me a F-150 XLT. You know what I mean? It's extended cab. I don't really need the 4 doors. I've been wanting to get a truck for the longest, man. This is like a big accomplishment for me. And I'm just excited, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you guys the truck, man. Shout out to LaFontaine Ford. LaFontaine Ford, man, really blessed me, man. I got a little emotion because I came a long way, you know what I mean, life period. I'm gonna have to give y'all my life story down the line. But this is the truck, y'all. This is my baby, y'all. We already got the custom headlights, the grill. And let's see the inside. Cut the radio down, Mike. Oh, you probably don't know how yet. All right. But this is the truck. Got my son in the front. The windows already tinted. I'm going to CAT scan, get rid of these seats. Touch screen, clean truck, man. 80,000 miles on it. Paid $30 for it. Got the bed cover. But you know, I'm gonna give you guys more look around it when I leave the dealership. But I want you to meet my salesman. So this is my salesman, guys. You can tell me your name.
Hey guys, it's Hayden here at LaFontaine Ford. We're happy to help out Patrick and stuff like that. And if any of you guys need a vehicle, just call me at 810-624-7098.
And guys, he did a wonderful job. I was in there probably 15-20 minutes probably after the test drive. Got it all done. I already ordered the leveling kit. Tires and rims we're looking at now. So when I get in the open spot, I'll give you guys a tour of it. I'm about to leave. I'm excited, man. I appreciate you, bro.
Oh, yeah, anytime, man. We're happy to help you out, man.
So everybody, yes, man. I got the truck, and I'm just as happy as I can be. You know, and we got a lot of things coming forward. I did pick up a 2015 F-150 XLT extended cab, and I have a lot of things I want to do to it. So I want to show you guys the truck. Here we go. All right, y'all, here's the baby here. All right, it's the F-150 XLT extended cab. People ask me, like, why you didn't get, you know, a crew cab, you know, 4-door. I said, really, I don't have to. I don't be around people a lot, you know. I don't really have people in my car when I had a Malibu, so it's nothing's going to change with that. But this is the baby here. Okay, extended cab F-150 XLT. The guy that had it before me took real good care of it. Got aftermarket headlights, aftermarket grill. The tint is done, and I have a cover for the back. So he really took out a nice chunk for me. This is called Dark Forest Gray, is what they said it was. The things I want to do to it, guys, I want to color match the bumpers. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. Should I get a cover for the lights, the tail lights, or should I replace them with LEDs? I think I'm doing LEDs, but I don't know. Tires and rims, I think about doing 20 by 12 and a leveling kit. That's what I'm thinking about doing. And I think that's really it for that, man. I wanna do a lot more, but it's just like right now, I'm new to this game, so I'm learning stuff. And shout out to Stance Nation, man, a Facebook page, Facebook group. A lot of guys just in there talk junk, talk about car, we talk about trucks, and we just have fun, you know what I mean? So those guys really helped me with my decision. Let me show you the inside. I just went to Smoothie King, try with smoothie for the family. So, but this is the truck. It's clean. I might go to cat skins for seats, but I don't know. I might go just get an upholstery shop and see can I just do black leather seats in here. I don't know if I'm going to do the what is that? The lights in the ceiling. I don't know if I'll do that yet. Because if I do that, I'm gonna have to get everything else up in here painted black, like these here, this. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just get the lights and keep it like this. I might get a sunroof, never know, or a panoramic roof from the top. But it's a beautiful truck, y'all. Clean. It's a 2015, and the guy he took good care of it, man. I got it. I want to go get it washed now already, just because it got a little dirt on it. But man, we got a lot of things in store, man. So if you haven't yet, man, do not forget to like, share, and sub. This channel is really finna grow, especially with the build. And I want to meet up with some guys, especially in Michigan, that has trucks, and just go from there, man. I really do appreciate y'all. I really, really do. The channel came a long way. I haven't done any videos lately because if you watch the last video, you'll know why. But yeah, that's really it, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and sub. If you would like to donate to the channel, if it's rims and tires, if it's anything, if you want to donate anything to the channel, I will put my IG on there. You can message me or Cash App, whatever you want to do. This your boy BigHeadPat. I'm out.
Yeah, come and watch. Hey, come and watch. Do it like